Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. With today, I have a special friend mail from my special friend Stephanie from Opinionated Horsewoman, and I am really looking forward to seeing what's in here. So if you're interested, please do stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you guys are doing well. And if I did this right, it is Tuesday. Yeah. And we still have a whole week ahead of us, and I'm excited about that. And anyway, today I want to share with you my special friend mail, and I so love it because when I saw it, I was like, oh my God, I got a friend mail. And it has cute little stickers in the back too. But before I get into it, let's do our affirmation cards for the day, and today we'll be working on the affirmation cards for women. Okay, so let's see what's in here for us today. Okie dokie. Okay, small print, but there it is. No glare though, good thing. It's matte paper. So what does it say? Okay, it says, I don't have to solve this all today. I just need to be brave, cling to hope, and do the next right thing. I don't have to solve this all today. I just need to be brave, cling to hope, and do the next right thing. And this is very true. And a lot of times what happens, especially like with a personality like mine, I want to solve everything today. I mean, you give me a problem, the first thing I do is go to solutions, but that's human nature. And majority of us do this when we hear somebody. How many times have you sat down and talked to somebody and they're telling you their problems, and all of a sudden, I mean, before you even know what the true problem is and thoroughly looking at the issue, you already have solutions, right? And it's not helpful when that happens because you don't really understand the problem. So I like the fact that it says, I don't have to solve this all today. And I probably shouldn't, because I don't know what the true issues are. I need to know what is going on. I need to assess and really take a step back and take a look and see, what is the problem? What is it that I need to solve, right? Instead of just solving whatever is on a surface, which is not going to fix anything at all. And I just need to be brave. In other words, I need to be brave enough to really just take a step back and say, okay, we have a problem here, but I need to be brave enough to take the time and really assess. And I need to cling to hope that there is a fix to whatever it is that I'm having issues with, right? You always have to have hope. Don't ever let go of hope, because the hope is one of the best things that you have in your life, and you need to hold on to it, because hope will give you the next step on how to figure this all out and do the next right thing. In other words, you don't have to fix it, but let's do what comes next. Okay, you have this problem today. Okay, what do I need to do first of all? What's the right thing to do here? I need to figure that out. And when you start doing that and just doing the next right thing, the next right thing, the next right thing, it all adds to clarity. And all of a sudden it becomes clear to you. It's like the moment of clarity, right? And you're like, oh, okay, that isn't the problem like I originally thought. This is the problem. And so you took the time to do that. So you don't have to solve it all today. Take my word for it. You don't. But you do need to be brave to know that and to cling to the hope that it's going to be resolved sooner or later, and just do the best thing you can do today. Okay? So that's that. And just remember, people do tend to think, I gotta solve this today. No, you don't. Just have hope that you will. Okay? Alrighty, it's a good card. Okie dokie then. Now, the moment I've been waiting for. You know, it came actually today, and I'm like, I want to open it, but no, it's, I can't open it. Right now I got to do this, the right way. I have to share with my beautiful wildflowers. Anyway, in case you don't know who Stephanie is, you should. She's with Opinionated Horsewoman. That's what she calls herself. And she is one of my better friends. and I really enjoy her. We actually communicate together on email, and we do problem solving for YouTube. She's a great source of information, and she's funny too, and I love watching her videos as well. So let me see. I have this thing. I don't know if this is gonna work. This is like a crystal nail file, and I don't want to ruin it because you see how pretty all this is. Yeah, so I don't want to ruin it, but I'm hoping that I don't tear anything else in there. Okay, I think it's good. Yeah, and there it is. Let's see what's in here. Let's see what she has to say. So it's kind of funny because great minds think alike. That's all I have to say. I don't want to give anything away. But you know what? I'm going to go ahead and drop her link down below so you can kind of check her out if you don't know her already. And believe me, she's worth watching. Aw, it's a cute little card. It says, "Hi, I'm the Halloween hamster." Oh my God. That is so cute. Look at that. Oh, and she's stuck in here. Ooh, nice. Ah, and she knows how much I love snail mucin, right? And green tea. Those are the two favorite things. Somebody's paying attention. And only that, look, it's a best friend snail and green tea face mask. Rejuvenating and firming. Ooh, wow. Thank you so much, Stephanie. I really want to try this. You know what? I'm going to have to try this on Mask Monday Ladies because that just went by, and I really want to share it with you guys because I do love green tea and I do so love my snail mucin, but I like the fact that it says best friend snail mask, or face mask. So let me see. Let's see, and it's K Beauty, and I love that. And I love the fact that it's rejuvenating and firming. It's so cute. I don't want to open it now because look at the package and it's very sweet. So what else? Okay. Aw, there's like tons of little stickers. She loves stickers, by the way. Look, a chihuahua. Ah, so cute. Look, that's so me. And what else? Oh, nice. And you know, she knows I love stickers because I do my planner and I put stickers all over the place, and I love these. Look at this. So appropriate. Aw, a unicorn. Aw. Yeah, that's a horse with a horn. But so cute. And oh, look. Oh my gosh, these are so sweet. You know, it's funny because she's picked out all of she pays attention because she's picked out all of my favorite animals. I mean, the koalas, I love koalas. And this is another one here. There's a special place in my heart for sloths. And I just love these little guys. And I mean, let's see. I want to make sure it's, in focus. And I know these animals I found out are dangerous, but I'm like, really? How? They're so cute and slow. I mean, they got to catch me first. So anyway, and a beautiful butterfly to go along with my wildflowers. And another, I love it, love it. A pug with a Statue of Liberty a crown and American flag. Very nice. Oh, so cute. And another beautiful butterfly. Aw. And let's see what did the card say. It says, "Hi, I'm the Halloween hamster. Don't laugh. This is the way the Easter bunny got started. Happy Hamsterween." Stephanie, Opinionated Horsewoman. That is so funny. This is how the Easter bunny got started. Ah. Very cute, very cute. I'm really going to have to put this up where my mirror is. Oh, thank you so very much, Stephanie. That really brought a huge smile to my face. And I haven't been feeling really well this week. I got my Tdap, which is tetanus, diphtheria, and pertussis shot. And I was so sick over the weekend. I was like, oh my God. And I was just so glad that I had videos pre-recorded. But this really cheers me up. And thank you so very much. And that is so sweet of you. And guys, my beautiful wildflowers, please check her out. I'm going to go ahead and drop her link below if you don't know her, but I think most of you do because I see those people that you follow. So yeah. Anyway, okay, I think that's it for today. And if I added any value, please do hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing by hitting that subscribe button and ringing a bell and then selecting all so you know every time I upload a brand new video. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, or a good weekend. Doesn't matter when you're watching this, but what does matter is to remember, in a field of roses, be a wildflower and never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.